all maths enthusiasts there. I am Guneet and welcome back to my channel Vedic Maths Tricks, the go-to place for all maths things. If you're new around here, hit the like, subscribe and share button and join our mathematical journey. Now grab your pencil and notebooks for today's topic, which is multiplication by 11. This is a very easy method where we can multiply the numbers on a blink of an eye. Now, multiplication by 11, as the name suggests, is multiplying any number, whether it's 2-digit or 3-digit or 4-digit, by 11. Now, let's understand this method better by taking examples. So, the first question here is 54 multiplied by 11. Now, here we write first number as it is, which is 5. Now, make a partition, add both the numbers, which is 5 plus 4. Now make a partition again and write the last number, which is 4. So 594. So 594 is the answer. Now let's understand the next question, which is 95 multiplied by 11. So now here the first number is 9. So write 9 as it is. Now make a partition, add both the numbers, 9 plus 5. Now make a partition and write the last digit as it is. So it will be 9, 14 and 5. Now here, since in the second partition we have 2 digits. So the trick is that leaving the first partition, we need to have single digit in all the partitions. But here we have 2 digits in the second partition. So here we'll use the method called chain addition, and this one will go and add up over here. So 9 plus 1. Here in the second partition we are left with 4 and in the last partition we have 5. So 9 plus 1 gives you 10, 4 and 5. Now as we all know that in the first partition we can have 2 digits, but in the rest of the partitions we need to have only single digits. So 1045 is the answer. Now let's understand this trick by taking 3 digits and 4 digit numbers also. Now the question is 76 multiplied by 11. So first of all, we'll write first number as it is. Now make a partition. In the second partition, we'll add both the digits, which is 7 plus 6. And in the last partition, we'll write the last number, which is 6. Now 7 plus 6 gives you 13, and in the last partition, we get 6. Now here in the second partition, we have 2 digits. So as we know that leaving the first partition, we need to have single digits in all the partitions. So this one will go and add up over here. So 7 plus 1. Here we get 3 in the second partition and 6 in the last partition. So the final answer is 836. So now let's multiply a 3-digit number by 11. Since we know that 11 has 2 digits, so here also we'll add up to 2 digits only. So now first we'll write the first digit as it is. Now make a partition, then we'll add the 2 numbers, which is 7 plus 3. Now in the third partition, we'll leave this 7 and add 2 numbers, which is 3 plus 8. And now we leave 3, and in the last partition only 8 is left. So now here we get 7. 7 plus 3 gives you 10. 3 plus 8 gives you 11. And in the last partition we get 8. As we know that leaving the first partition, in all the rest of the partitions we need only single digit. So here we have 2 digits in the second and the third partition. For that, we will use the chain addition. So this one will go and add up over here, and this one will go and add up over here. So let's start from the right hand side. So we get 8. Now here 1 is left. So write 1. Now 1 plus 0 gives you 1, and this one will go and add up over here. So 7 plus 1 gives you 8. So the final answer is 8118. Now the next question is 349 multiplied by 11. Since we know that 11 is 2 digits, so we'll add up to 2 numbers only. So now let's start. So first we'll write the first number, which is 3. Now make a partition, then we'll add 3 plus 4 in the second partition. Now leave this 3 and add 4 plus 9. Now leave this 4 in the end, write 9. So now here we get 3. 3 plus 4 gives you 7. 4 plus 9 gives you 13 and 9. So now here in the third partition we have 2 digits. So we need to have single digit in second, third and fourth partition. So this one will go and add up over here. So here we get 9. In the third partition we get 3. 7 plus 1 gives you 8, and in the first partition it's 3. So the final answer is 38 39. Now let's understand the last question, which is a 4-digit question. Since we know that 11 has 2 digits, so we'll add up to 2 digits only. Now let's start. So first we'll write 5. Now make a partition. Then we'll add 2 numbers, which is 5 plus 6. Now leave 5. Then we'll add 6 plus 3. Now leave 6. Then we add 3 plus 2. Now leave 3. Then we get 2. So now 5 plus 6 gives you 11, 6 plus 3 gives you 9, 3 plus 2 gives you 5. In the last partition we get 2. So now here in the second partition only we have 2 digits. So this one will go and add up over here. So we get 2, 5, 9, 1 and 6. So the final answer is 61952. I hope you understood this method well, and if you want practice question book, then please WhatsApp me on the number given in the description below. And please share your suggestions in the comment box below. Thanks for watching.